Okay guys, well I'm here. Well, as you saw in my vlog yesterday, which, yeah, it was filmed yesterday and uploaded. That's surprising for me. I'm putting a truss bridge here with this, and eventually this track is all going to be into one bridge. It's not going to be three separate ones. So, I figure, well, since I just started doing AdSense, I said, okay, self, what can I do to get more money, right? So I thought, okay, maybe I'll do a PFA video. And this one is the first one. It's gonna be my Norfolk and Western J-Class. The last steam engine for them to have. So let's get started.
Now arriving from Norfolk on track 1, train number 25 to Powellton Aero. Watch your step, please. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good. Welcome aboard. Let me help you with your baggage. Thank you. Now departing for Cincinnati on track 1, train number 25 to Powellton Aero. Pardon me. Step right this way. Watch your step, please. Thank you. All aboard. Bunko set full. Good. Now I'm going down now. Clear? Clear. Doctor's giving us an eyeball signal.
So guys, there you go. You got a sample of what this is, the ready to run train set. So passenger, as you all know, as you just heard, they go with these three cars. I got a observation car for a New Haven set, or for a New Haven one in New Haven. I might get it custom painted, I don't know. I actually got a guy that used to paint the trailers for my dad at work. He's down in Florida. I'm looking to actually get him to custom paint me a reefer, so I might have him custom paint that, and something else I want custom painted. I can't remember offhand, but yeah. So, next one will be the AEM7. Also, yeah, so, talk to you soon. Bye.